If it's not clear, don't worry. In the educational part, I will explain you and I will make it more clear. Okay, so yeah, finally I told you that will be a green candle. Okay, finally you can see it closed as a green candle. That's the power of the Chinese candlestick psychology. Hello traders, so again welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to take few trades on the basis of the candlestick psychology, and after that I will give you the clear and clarity explanation. Okay, so watch the video completely without skipping for the better understanding. So we can analyze the market, and here I think we have a sell opportunity because here there is a level and it's a confirmation candle, so I'm going to place a put option here. Okay, definitely 100% this fund will be a winning trade based on our candlestick analysis or the candlestick psychology, because here we can see that the market is falling, right? Okay, I will draw that. We can see it's a completely a downtrend, and now the buyers made a retracement move, and after that again I am seeing here we can see that from this position the buyers made a retracement move to the sellers level. So after that I am seeing a sellers confirmation candle. Don't worry, I will clearly explain the education part. I will tell you the exact reason. Okay, so watch the video completely. And here there is a fake out. Here there is no opportunity because if they 50%. Okay, here we can see that it's a winning trade, right? So here I think the next one also chance to go down because I'm not seeing any enough rejection, and here it's a fake out, so sometimes we can expect a retracement candle mostly. And here the present candle will be a green candle. We can see a strong green candle is forming now, but the level is very close, so it may chance to reverse too. Okay, here we have an opportunity because after a fake out I am seeing an engulfing candle, and now I am seeing a bearish retracement hammer candle. So in the next candle we can confidently go with buyers, so I'm going to place a call option here. Okay, I will explain this one. Actually this one is a sure shot, 99.99% that mostly this one will be a winning trade. I will explain the reasons clearly in the education part. Don't worry how these candlestick psychology work. Okay, it's a fake out strategy. This one is near to 100% winning that you will get if you apply that properly. So I'm very confident here this one will be a winning trade, and we can see strong buyers are entering now. Okay, that's the power of the candlestick psychology. So here we don't use any kind of pattern, only pure price action. Okay, so I think we have to stop. I think it's better to stop after maybe 4 or 5 trade. That is enough. Okay, here we can see it was also a winning trade, right? Next one, I expect the present one should be a red candle because strong rejection, and here the market is falling from that level, and here it's better to go with sellers, but there is a level 2, so I want a good entry, then only I will. Okay, it's better to avoid because it is rejecting now, and we can see that it start to move up. So maybe after one green candle we can expect sellers entry. And here you can see it was a strong red candle, right? So here I want a rejection from that level, I want a strong rejection, then only I will go with sellers. I want a good margin of safety entry. Otherwise, this one will. I want a rejection from this point at least. Okay, now only the 10 seconds to close. In that 10 seconds, I need the market to hit that point, and I want a strong rejection. Otherwise, I don't trade here. Now I don't find my rejection in the first 30 seconds. So based on this candlestick analysis, or in this, just wait, I think it's better to explain that properly in the education part. That should be more good. Okay, so watch the video completely. Definitely these sessions should be wonderful. Okay, I mean, if you watch this session completely, you will get some good opportunities in the future. That's my guarantee. So here it's better to go with sellers here. So I'm going to place a put option here. It's because now we can see the market is following the green red pattern, and also I think now the buyers are trying to break that level. So I draw a blue line here. So most of the time after hitting that blue line, the market should reverse and finally make a red candle. But here there is some risky. It's feeling risky because the buyers are not much weak now. They're again and again they are trying to. Okay, now I think this one will be a loss. Don't worry, if it's a loss, I will recover my loss. So we can see it's a clear loss. Don't worry, I'll recover this one. Okay, I think here the sellers are not interested, and I got one loss, and today I already took many trades, and we can see the result. Now I lost this trade, and here also another one loss. All others are winning trade. That's the power of the candlestick psychology. Okay, now I'm trading on the basis of the like Chinese candlestick psychology, because that will give more accuracy than any other trading concept. Now if it's a green candle, then I have to wait. Okay, just wait. And mostly this one, I mean the present one, chance to be a bearish red color, a inverter hammer. Okay, then we can confidently go with buyers here. But I think it's again try to form a green candle. Then also I will go with buyers here, because this one also a continuation sign. Sometimes we can expect a red color retracement candle here. So if I get if it come more down, then I will place one more trade here, because it's a 100% confirmed trade. I want a good entry point, then only I will trade. Okay, here I'm going to place. Okay, fine. This one should be 100% winning trade, because here there is no retracement. It's retested. I mean the last candle retested, and in front of seeing a red color retracement, I am seeing direct a bullish candle, which means the buyers are more aggressive. Definitely the buyers will, or the buyers have the strength to make another bullish candle. So that's the reason why I place it here. If it's not clear, don't worry. In the educational part, I will explain you, and I will make it more clear. Okay, so yeah, finally I told you that will be a green candle. Okay, finally you can see it closed as a green candle. That's the power of the Chinese candlestick psychology. Okay, so now we can move to the education part. In the education part, I will clearly explain the reasons of all of this trade based on the Chinese candlestick psychology. Okay, so we can move to the education part. Okay, we can move to the educational part. So first I am going to tell you about this trade, and here we can see that it's clear downtrend. So in the downtrend, that we have to look for a sell opportunity, right? I done the exact thing here. So here now I'm going to tell you the actual reason that why I place it here a put option, and here we can see that actually this one is simply our ebook trading setup, ebook short the strategy that we can see in the ebook. Okay, so if you are not if you not learn about our ebook, then I will explain you that. And here we can see that when the market reached here, it made a retracement move here, right? And here also it made a retracement move, and from here also it made a retracement move. So in the market here we can see it's a downtrend, so that will move like this. Okay, that will move like this, right? Okay, fine. So I expect this is clear. So here we can see that it made retracement, and again we can see seller's entry, again retracement. So again we can expect seller's entry. And we know that here there is a trend line level, and we can clearly see that the market is respecting that level. Here also it's respected, here also it's respected, here also it's expected, and here also we can expect the market to respect this level. And here from this level, the market reversed and made a retracement move, right? Previously from this level we can see loads of rejection, right? Loads of rejection, and when the market reached this level, it hit and reject and made a bearish candle here, right? And also here also we can see strong rejection now, and this green candle closed inside of this green candle's wick, okay, at the level. So here, which is our level, it's a resistance, right? So when the market reached that resistance level, we can see some strong rejection, and last candle closed inside of this wick, and also there is a trend level, I mean trend line level, trend line resistance, right? So it's all supportive for the sellers, and also the trendy strong downtrend, right? And this level is very important here. This level is very important here. And after that, now we can see that the buyers become very weak, and it closed inside of this green candles wick, right? After that, suddenly I am seeing a bearish engulfing candle. It's a bearish engulfing candle at the resistance. And where is the, at that time that you have to look, where is the next possible reversal area? So assume that, okay, just assume that if this green candle open here and if it closes here, then after that we can't go with sellers here because it's a support area, right? So now you have to check that where it closed, it's only reached at this level, only reached at this level, and still there is a gap, right? So definitely the market will try to fill this gap. So that's the reason why I placed it here a put option, and that was a clear win. Okay, and sometimes we can expect, maybe the 20% of the time we can expect a weak green candle here as a retracement. Okay, so if the market, I'm very confident here because here the trend is strong downtrend here. So I know that in this kind of pressure, that if you are seeing this kind of pressure, then without making retracement candle, this one will directly try to reach the next possible reversal area. Assume that if it's a range market, then after this engulfing, I only place a call option, or I place a call option when the market hit this trend line level. Otherwise I don't trade. Here I know that the trend is very strong. So if the market tried to go up, then also after hitting this level, it will directly reject and move down and close a bearish candle. Okay, so that's why I place it here a put option. I expect this explanation is clear. It's simple candlestick psychology. Okay, it's very easy to understand. So we can move to the next trade. So here we can discuss the second trade. That's here we can see that I placed it here a call option, and that was also a winning trade. Here this one also very simple strategy. You can easily apply this one in the range market, that you will get these kind of opportunities very fast. Okay, now I'm going to explain the reason or the candlestick psychology behind this trade. Okay, so here we can see that it's a support area, right? It's a support area, and here we can see market reversed. When the market reached this area, again it's reversed. So when the market reached this area, again we can expect to reverse. But here there is a small difference. So previously we can see that the market reached here, suddenly it's reversed. Here also when the market reached here, suddenly it's reversed. But here there is a breakout. There's a breakout of this level, right? So After seeing that breakout, we don't know that's a real breakout or not. Okay, we don't know. So we have to wait for this candle. Suddenly, it's a bullish engulfing. So if you are seeing a bullish engulfing after a breakout like this, after a breakout, it's very important actually. This one is the accuracy of these trading setup is almost near to 100%, because chances for loss is very rare here. Okay, so after a fake out, we can say it's a fake out, it's not a real breakout. So that's the reason why I use the word fake out. So after the fake out, suddenly a bullish engulfing. So if you are seeing a breakout, suddenly if you're seeing the next candle is a bullish engulfing, 99% that should act like a fake breakout. So after that you have to wait for a retracement candle. So here we can see it's a retracement candle, right? It's a retracement red candle, and after that we know that's a fake breakout, and after we can see a bullish engulfing, and after I am seeing a bearish red color retracement candle, and now the market is inside the level. It is our level. If it below of this level, then we can't go with buyers here. So now it's still inside of our support area. So that's why here I placed here a call option, and that was a winning trade. It's nothing, it's a fake breakout, and after fake breakout I am seeing an engulfing. This engulfing is very important. If you are seeing a fake breakout like this, just look at the next candle. If it's a bullish engulfing, then just wait for a retracement red candle and place a call option here. Okay, that will be a winning trade. Okay, 100% that will be, I don't say 100%, the accuracy is next level. It's almost near to 100%. We can't say it's 100%. Okay, because in the trading nothing called 100%. So we can't use that word. So sometimes we can expect, maybe rarely, maybe that's because of manipulation. Okay, we can expect one another red color doji that should close inside of this wick. So if you face that kind of loss, again you can place a call option. You can easily record that, but that is very rare. Mostly this one will go up after a retracement. So it is our one retracement candle. Just look, it hit this level and suddenly it's reversed and made a green candle. So I expect this explanation or this is clear. Okay, we can discuss the next trade. Actually, this was a loss, but most of the time this one should be a red candle that should go down because we have loads of reason. That's why I placed here a put option. Here we can see that the market is in the consolidation area, right? And also we can see it's following green red pattern. So if you're seeing these kind of pattern, most of the time in the OTC that will follow a long time. So I expect like that, but here it suddenly there is a breakout happen, so that's why I lost this trade. And here there is a trend line level 2, there is a trend line resistance. So there are lots of reason to go with sellers, but unfortunately that was a loss. So the losses are the part of the game, so no need to worry. I suddenly just I think in the next trade I easily recovered that trade, right? So that is enough. So in this kind of situation, most probability for the next candle is a red candle. Okay, so if you get opportunity like this, then just place a put option. Don't directly go a call option here, because sometimes only this will maybe 10% of the time that you can expect like this. Okay, 90% of the time that will go down only. And because there is a level here, there is a resistance level here, and also the market is in the consolidation area. So in the resistance we can expect sellers entry. Where is the resistance? Here is the resistance, and here is the support, and also there is a trend line level. The market is respecting that level also, but it's, I told you that 10% of the time that should go up. So here it's worked like that. That's why I lost this trade. So no problem, I recovered that in the next trade, so we can discuss. Okay, we can discuss the last trade in this session. Previously, I told you that the market is in the consolidation area and in this trade I lost, right? I placed it here a put option and now it's a breakout happened. Okay, here it's a breakout happened. So after that, most of the time here we can expect one red color retracement candle, and mostly that should be a candle like this, a red color inverter hammer. Here we can expect most of the time. So if you are seeing a breakout of a consolidation area like this, and if you are seeing a red color retracement candle like this here, then you can confidently go with buyers, and that will be a winning trade. And here I don't find a red color retracement candle, but I found one thing, which is it's a spinning top in the middle, and also here we can see that it's already the breakout of this consolidation area. It's happened, right? So now there is no retracement red candle, but this green candle, this spinning top green candle already retested this level. Okay, already it retested this level, and the sellers are unable to make a red candle. Plus we can see a green candle and it retested this level. That is very important. After a breakout, if you are seeing candle like this and just look, it retested, then 99% of the time the next candle should go up. So that's the reason why I placed here a call option. Okay, and that was a winning trade. I think I placed totally three trades here. Okay, and all are winning trade. I was very confident here because I saw the same setup loads of time, and it's a clear, I mean the clear trading setup, because it is the next possible reversal area. So here it didn't retest it. Still there is a gap. So definitely at least for 1 minute we can expect a green candle. Okay, so that's the reason why I place it here a call option. It's nothing, it's simple. Here we can see it was a consolidation area and breakout happened. So in front of seeing a red color retracement candle, I'm seeing a green color spinning top, and it is the major thing. It retested, the retest happened. So the next candle to come down, just wait. The probability for making a red candle is very less because it's already retested. Then there is no need for coming down again. Most of the time, sometimes that may happen due to the volatility of the market, but here it's clear a call trading setup. So that's the reason why I place it here a call option. So it's clear candlestick psychology. There is nothing more than that. Pure price action trading. So if you are struggling in the binary trading, and if you want to know the real world of binary, or if you want to masterize the candlestick psychology, you can contact me. The contact details on the description. So that's it.